Hello, I would like to show you how to use palettes in Unity. Some of you might know this already, but I learned this in this group work and I found it time-saving and useful. If you want to put some basic elements or several decorations to the environment, it can take some time and be very meticulous work. Like this. You place one by one. But there is an easier way to do this. Instead of doing one by one, you can create a tile palette. If you can't find the tile palette, you can find it here, 2D tile palette. I have already 3 different ones here. But if you don't have any, you can create a new one. And then you just drag and drop all items you want to the tile palette here. And all of items or images should be sprited before adding to the palette. Then you can just drag and drop and paint with these items. If something went wrong, you can use eraser. I found this much easier than placing items one by one.